Now we're going to look at how to import those style boards into After Effects so you can create your animatic. So you would import the normal way that you would with any other files. So File, Import, File. I'm going to select all of my Illustrator artboards. If you have layers, make sure you import it as either composition or composition retain layer sizes. And click Open. I'm going to make a main composition to put all of my individual boards inside of. So I'll go to Composition, New Composition. Make sure it matches the same size that you made your style boards at. Call it animatic. And you want to set your duration to be the length of the duration of your bumper, which is 10 seconds exactly. Then you would just drag your style boards down. Since my text was black in all my style boards, nothing's showing up right now. So I'm going to make a solid layer so we can actually see the artwork. Just make it white. And move it down to the bottom of my layer stack. Now what we want to do here is we want to actually trim these layers down so that they're not taking up the entire timeline. So we don't see them all at the same time. We just want to get our rough timing here. Now to do that, there's two different ways we can do it. One way is by dragging the edge of the layer to change where it starts and ends at. The other way is to have the layer cut wherever your playhead is. And that way will actually work a little bit better because you can measure out your time and you can have it cut right at that time. It gets a little bit hard to line up by dragging the edges. So to cut a layer, the first thing you want to do is select it. Then you're going to hold down the Option key, the Alt key if you're on a Windows machine. And then if you look to where your letter P is on your keyboard, to the right of it, there's an open and close square bracket. You're going to use those to cut the beginning and end. For the end, it's going to be Option close bracket. To cut the beginning, it's Option open bracket. So I'm just doing mine in every 2 seconds. This isn't necessarily the right timing for this. What you would want to do is just kind of base it on whatever audio you're working with. It does help to start with your audio first and then do your timing for your animation afterwards. And then just kind of figure out how long the images need to be on the screen and how much animation is going to be in there is going to also contribute to how long you have those graphics visible. Then once you have everything cut, you'll be able to export it just like any other file from After Effects.